In this video of 1 to Step, let's learn how you can activate your Citibank credit card. If this is something that you want to learn and you want to successfully activate your card of Citibank, then let me show you how you can easily do it. First of all, to activate your card, you need to open up the website, or you can also visit the direct link of activation. Open up your web browser and search for Citibank card activation. You can see this result. Just click on this link which says activate your card, and it's going to take you to a section where you can now fill in your card details. So type in your card number that is given on your card of Citibank and then click on continue. In the next step, you'll also need to enter in your CVV and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once you do, you'll again need to click on continue, and lastly a one-time password will be sent to your registered mobile number that is linked with your Citibank. After you enter in the code, your card will be successfully activated. So basically there are 3 steps. Once you complete these 3 steps, your card will be successfully activated. So I hope I could help you out. If this video did help you out, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. I'm going to be back with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.